Hello guys, I am Andrea and the name of my channel is Cuore di Cioccolato. Today we make prosciutto cotto or ham, like you call in English. But because some people complain that using the sous station and the vacuum machine is so easy and maybe also expensive, today we use simple tools, glass jar, a thermometer and a pot with water, so everybody can do it at home. Before I clean or trim the meat, you need to remove all the skin and a little bit of fat. I'm using pork loin. You can use any kind of pork that you like, up to you. Now that you come close, I'll show you the ingredient for 1 kilogram of meat. We need 30 grams of sea salt without iodium, a slice of garlic, 3 grains of black pepper. I will crush them. 1 pinch of nutmeg. This one is still with the shell. 1 pinch of cinnamon and 1 bay leaves. Some people ask me where I can find the sea salt without iodium. Usually you can find only the white with iodium. So you need to check in the supermarket. Maybe if you can find, you can ask to some people working there. Natural sea salt. So the natural sea salt is without extra iodium. Now we need to weight the meat. It's better if you prepare a mix of spices and salt for each piece of meat. So how much salt? Very easy. 30 per 0,82 is 24.6 gram of salt. Ready? Now we should wait at least 1 hour, keeping our jar at room temperature, because the salt needs to go everywhere, melt a little bit. For the other meat it's easier because it's 1 kilogram and 20. So 30 grams of salt plus the spices. See you in 1 hour. Now we can cook our meat, but please don't be dumb like me. Before deciding what kind of jar you want to use, check if you have the pot big enough, because now I cannot cook them together, so I should cook them in 2 times. We put the meat in the pot, we put the water. The water should arrive maybe until here, no more, because if there is some problem with the lid after the water will enter, it will be a disaster. We put the water, we put the pot on the stove, and we should reach the temperature of 80 Celsius degree. That is around 178 or 76 Fahrenheit degree. When we reach this temperature, we turn off the stove, we cover with the lid, we put apart, and we should keep this temperature for 2 hours. Our prosciutto is cooked. Now we should wait and reach the room temperature after we store in the fridge for at least 24 hours So see you tomorrow for the tasting. Really, really, really spectacular. Super soft. Also, if you cut a little bit, maybe thick, because with a knife it's not so easy. Spectacular. Now I will make a sandwich and I will drink my homemade beer. You will see the video of the beer very soon here on the channel. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. I don't show you how to make the sandwich because you know, but you can share your recipe about the sandwich here in the comment. So how do you like to eat your homemade prosciutto? With bread and what else? Plus, to advise, when you make this kind of recipe, try to find a jar that have the top big like the body. For example, like this jar. Now this jar is too long, but to understand, because to remove the meat from inside the jar was really, really complicated. Was a fighting. Plus, the broth that remain inside the jar, don't throw it. You can use when you make, for example, risotto. You need only to balance the salt inside, but I think it's not salty because the prosciutto is not salty. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Remember, it's super easy to make it, and if you live abroad, it's better if you make it at home, because you don't know what they put inside the prosciutto, and also sometimes you buy a prosciutto very expensive and the taste is awful. This one is really, really spectacular. Bye bye.